Let's start this video with a bang. God damn. Okay, we are bare bones. Let's go to the junkyard. Comment now how much you think I'll get. Weigh-in is just 10,000 pounds exact. Comanche was just about 2,500 pounds. All right, scrapped the Comanche for a whopping $166. He docked me for like 100 pounds because I put extra tires in there, but it's all right. And I got $20 for like 4 radiators that I had laying around. If the video looked shoddy while they're grabbing it, it's because that was the owner that was standing next to me, and he told me I wasn't allowed to film. That's also why I got docked for the tires. He was cool though.